DoorDash stock is up over 25% in 2025, and investors are asking me, what about 2026? Is DoorDash in a buying opportunity for 2026? I'll answer that question in this video by looking at the company's longer-term prospects on revenue, on cash flow. Let's start with revenue growth, where DoorDash has demonstrated excellent performance, increasing from $300 million in revenue in 2018 all the way up to $12.6 billion in the most recent trailing 12-month period. That's good for a compounded annual growth rate of 75% in that time. If you were like me, you were surprised at how explosive DoorDash's growth has been, even after the economic reopening. I was surprised. Now, during the pandemic lockdown stages, when restaurants were closed and people were forced to stay at home, I understood the growth of DoorDash very well. I was expecting food delivery companies to thrive during that moment, but I've been surprised at how persistent that growth has been, even after the economic reopening, and that goes to show how much people are willing to pay for convenience. And I've been talking about this across the board for all of the companies that I follow that offer convenience. Consumers have been willing to pay for that feature. Even if it might seem expensive, people are willing to pay that extra $10 or whatever the fee might be to get their burrito delivered to their home instead of having to leave their home, go to Chipotle or whatever their favorite restaurant and pick up the food or eat at the restaurant. People would much rather order the food and have it be delivered to their homes. And that's what companies like DoorDash have demonstrated over the years. I don't expect this will end anytime soon. That trend, that tailwind of offering convenience is only increasing as DoorDash is signing up more merchants and more restaurants, making the app that much more valuable. If you can find all of your favorite restaurants on the platform, you're more likely to go to the platform when you're interested in having some food that you're not interested in cooking or preparing. Now, DoorDash has also been able to do this while improving the profitability of the business overall. The returns on invested capital have improved from negative 44% in 2020 all the way up to positive 9.4% in the most recent trailing 12-month period. I've been highlighting the same business model benefit that Lyft and Uber benefit from, so does DoorDash, and that is the drivers are bringing the assets to the platform. DoorDash doesn't provide. Click the link below to watch the full video.